Hi kittens, and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, if you are new to my channel, I make easy, healthy, and delicious meals in no time at all. Now today we are doing a fun, easy meal prep recipe that heats up very well throughout the week. And it is turkey meatloaf muffin tins. Now what I love about these is you plop them right out of the muffin tins. You could either put them in a Tupperware in the fridge, reheat them throughout the week, or even better, put them in a Ziploc bag, freeze them, and then just pop them in the microwave, and they're just so good. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and do so right now. And as always, follow me on Cooking with Hugs so you can see the new upcoming videos, and most of all, vote for my next recipe. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, in every single one of my videos, there is the description below with the shopping list, the recipe, and equipment needed to make this recipe and all the rest. Now, are you guys ready to cook? Let's go. Okay guys, so here we have just 1 packet of ground turkey, and then you're gonna put some salt on there and some ground pepper. Okay, perfect. And then you're just gonna put that to the side, and you're gonna start chopping your onions. Now, while you're beginning to chop, you just wanna put the heat on a small or a large pan, whatever you have, and you're gonna start dicing up your onions. Kittens. So right now it smells amazing because we have the onions working with the mushrooms, and then we're going to add a little bit of garlic, and this is going to go right back in with the ground turkey. Together they are going to be stuffed into these meatloaf tins, and they are just going to be the delicious muffin size meatloaf, guys. I'm a rapper on the side, by the way, if anybody wants to hire me. All right, beautiful. So let's just let these work for an additional, I want to say 7 minutes, until it gets nice and translucent and the mushrooms soften up. This is really how it should look. We're just going to hit it with 1 teaspoon, a little bit of soy sauce, because it gives it a little depth of flavor. And then you're going to add in your parsley. All right, guys, so we're just going to mix this all in together, and we're going to throw it right in with the ground turkey. I mean, look how amazing this looks. Okay, guys, so here we have our turkey with all of the mixture that we just cooked. You're going to mix it in with each other, guys, just like that. Nice and beautiful. Make sure you get it all incorporated. Oh, lovely. Just smells like so good. Okay, put that like that. All right, make sure you season the mixture with salt and pepper, and you season the actual ground turkey with salt and pepper as well. All right, guys, so we're gonna put the meatloaf mixture in the tins, and we're going to fill them about 2/3 the way full, and just press them down lightly. Oh my God, it's such a party. It is just such a party. Every time I cook, it's a party. Look at her. She's a beaut. Just put it right in there, guys. This is seriously like going to be my all-time favorite recipe up in here. Well, let's try it first. Honestly, guys, I'm going to be real with you. This is my first time making them in a tin, so I really don't know how they're going to come out. I'm assuming good. I believe in myself. Now, me and my mother have really good sense of, like, we have like a good eye. So I don't measure ever, and neither does she. But yet we always somehow make just the right amount of product. And if you can't, you just transfer some over, because that one was a little full. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Beautiful. So we want to make sure we take that out the way. And of course, it wouldn't be meatloaf without a little ketchup. Guys, so we have 1/4 cup ketchup. You're just going to simply take a little bit and smear it all around. These are the cutest things in the world. Like, look at that. Hi. And of course, this is organic ketchup, right? Low sodium, low sugar from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna get endorsed one day. Watch. Psych. Oh, yes. They all need to get a little bit of that. A little loving. A little loving never hurt nobody. Yes. Beautiful. All right, let's go back. This one needs some more. There we go. Okay, kittens. And we are gonna bake them in the oven. Hi, kittens. Today was super duper easy. Look at her. Look at this amazing meatloaf. Guys, oh my God. This is like beyond amazingness. First off, I've made meatloaf many a times. Don't mind my laptop. I'm editing videos as we speak. But I made meatloaf a lot. I just never made them in a muffin tin. And I feel like it allows you to, like, you know, have some type of portion control over this because it is a lot of protein / ketchup. So I'm just going to dig right in, guys, because my mouth is watering right now. First of all, the juices. Take a look at that. Oh my God. Look at it. Look at that. I want you guys to look at the inside. Right? All of that parsley and onion. Oh God. You guys know the rules, right? First bite are for you. You know what? For years, I've been living alone and cooking dinners alone. And every time I make that meal, that certain meal that just hits like no other, I look around and I'm like, yo, I wish somebody tried this with me. Guys, this is one of those meals. Hold on. I need to take another bite. Phenom is not even the word. This is so moist. Sorry, guys. The onions, the parsley. Ground turkey always gets dry to me. The fact that this has stayed moist is so, like, ground turkey needs to write mushroom and onions a thank you note. I said, thank you for giving me that moisture that I've been eating and longing for so many years. This is so good. I'm like blown away. Like, who knew meatloaf could be so like bougie? Look at her. Look at it. It looks moist. It doesn't even look dry, guys. This is just absolutely amazing. You know I'm gonna keep eating this. And I just want to thank you guys so much for cooking with me today. And as always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please go to the description. The recipe, the shopping list, equipment needed are in the description below, so you can be able to get out there and make all of these meals, guys. Now, are you ready for 4 hugs? 4 hugs? Yes, you are.
1,